You are going to love the 2026 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, automatic air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, front bucket seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.